Hello everyone, welcome back, and you are watching Technical World. If we are unable to remove payment method from iPhone and iPad, when we try to remove it, it says unable to remove. There is an active sub on this account, at least one payment on file. Today in this video, I'm going to show you how to fix this issue. So without wasting any time, let's get started. The first thing that we have to do, we have to go to settings, then tap on profile ID, now tap subs. Here we have to cancel the active subs. After that, we have to go back to Apple ID, now tap media and purchase and tap view account. Maybe touch ID, face ID or passcode required here. Now we have to tap on country or region. And tap again, change country or region. Now select any other country. You can select anyone. I'm going to choose Ireland. Tap agree, agree, agree. Here we are going to select none and fill all the blanks. Street, postcode. If you don't know the postcode, search from Google, add city, country and put your phone number, any phone number, and tap done. After that, go back to your account to remove the payment method. Now under Apple ID, tap on sign out and sign out from Apple ID. After that, force close all the apps that are running in the background and force restart your iPhone by quickly press and release volume up button, quickly press and release volume down button, and press side button until you get Apple logo. After the forced restart, go back to settings and sign in back to your Apple ID. Now hopefully you will remove your payment method. After removing your payment method, go back to Apple ID and tap media and purchase, tap view account and back to your current location, change your country to your current location. Do one thing more, settings, general, transfer or reset iPhone, then tap reset and tap reset all settings. This process will delete all your customized setting to default setting, but no data or media will be deleted. Here put iPhone passcode and tap again reset all settings to confirm. That's it. Hopefully friends, you found this video helpful, so please don't forget to subscribe, like and share with your friends and family. Thanks for watching. Take care. Bye bye.